Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is card day and we are doing a card. And also, this is a fun masking technique. And you've probably seen these around, but it's been forever since I've made one. And it gets addictive, as you can see. I've made quite a few. It doesn't take any time at all. It's really fun, especially if you have a solid image. But I'm going to color these. So I'm going to use my blends and a couple of hoo markers. I always get tongue-tied saying that, but because I didn't have any Bermuda Bay and I wanted to have some Bermuda Bay with this, because we're going to make this card right here with the little daisies. And I am making it a thank you because I can definitely use thank you cards. And then I did this one for, it's like for Father's Day, or it could be Father's birthday, or a masculine birthday. You don't even have to put dad on there. You can use another sentiment. But I used these brushes. I'll show you the stamp sets that I used for all of these. And I just colored them. And then, like, it has paint on the end. Then I tried these leaves, which I love this one. I love the leaves on it. It turned out really cute. And then this one is with the stamp set I used the other day, the Hooray for Surprises. And this is a solid image. And so all you have to do is stamp it, put your sentiments in there. And I like drawing a border around these. You can leave them plain, and I'll show you that, you know, when we get to it. I made a little bit of a thicker border on this. These are thinner, but yeah, we're going to make one of the daisy ones. But I wanted to show you the ones that you have to color because this is so simple. It would take just minutes to make. It's really, really easy to do. Just by stamping the flower from the Hooray for Surprises. And this is the one that I used right here. So this flower right here. And I used this on my project the other day. So it's the same flower. And this is the one I used for the Mother's Day basket. And actually, that Mother's Day basket, I'll link it somewhere in this video because that is going to be one of my character boxes. And I haven't been able to make a playlist yet for them, but I'm planning on putting all those character boxes in a playlist. It's not a character, but it is using the same box. So it turned out really cute. I hope you really like that one. So that was on Sunday. And then this is the one I used for the dad. And this is the brush that I used for that. Gosh, y'all, you can put all these on there and just alternate them. All the little tools would be cute. And then this is the Notes of Nature. I love this stamp set. It's really pretty. And I use this, and then I use these little for around the edge. And I like adding something in the white space, but you don't have to do that either, like in here. Then I added those in here. This one I left plain, and then I added little dots on that one. Anyway, we are going to be making one of these because they are so fun. So look how fun they are, and you can make them for every occasion. You can even put these all in one set and make a little box for them and give them as a gift. That would be a really fun idea as well. All right, so we are going to make this 5 by 5, so it's different. So if you have an envelope punch board, use that to make your envelopes. I'll be making envelopes for those. I just didn't take the time right now to make them, but I will be doing that. And then this piece is what we're stamping on. It's 4 5/8 by 4 5/8. So for those of you who are new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and share it with all your friends because that really helps my channel. And I know it's like a repeated record, but it really helps because I have new people always coming on and they don't know. And thank you all who have already been sharing. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this because you want easy, right? And this, any beginner could do this as well. So we are going to take that, and I like to kind of guesstimate where we're going to put it. Sometimes I'll use this T-ruler and I will just line it up to try to make sure it's pretty straight. But you don't need it. You can just guesstimate the width, and I just try to guess as close as possible. It's not critical, y'all. It's not really that critical. See, like, that's a little bit too I'm going to just do it this way. This is the easiest way. And this is one of those Post-it notes that's sticky throughout the whole thing. It goes down here really easy, so it's sticky on the whole bottom side, not just the top or the bottom. So that really helps. All right, so we are going to grab the little daisy, and I am going to use Memento because we're going to color these. Like I said, I'm changing the color as well. You know how I really like to change up the color. So I like doing the corners first. So I am going to do the corners first, and then we'll do the middle part. All right, and then we'll just fit the other ones right in between. Try to make them, I'm using that center hole there as a guide to where I'm stamping it. So I'm doing it about halfway. So they're all about the same height all the way around. In fact, I thought of something here. I'm going to use the middle as well because I can stamp that little middle piece on this daisy. There's this little piece right here for the bud. I was going to color it, but I thought, no, I might as well just stamp it. And I think I'm going to go ahead and stamp that in maybe early espresso. Okay, so we have that. This is a little bit dark, but I think it's going to work out okay. This makes it easier than trying to just color them in. Just use this little centerpiece. These are very addicting, y'all. They're so fun to do. Yeah, so I made a bunch of them. All right, so what I like to do now is I like to go around the edge of this, and I use my ruler. I'm going to make it the thin one. So I'm going to go around. I'm going to line this right up to that edge there. And I'm going to just draw a line. And this is really thin line. And you don't even have to do this part. You can leave it. Just as it is. But I like that bold, that line that goes around it. It just, to me, makes it easier. Or makes it prettier. Not easier. So you want to do this before you take off your mask. All right, so let's pull this off now. I didn't even get it all, y'all. So I need to do that again. I don't know why. This is really thin, but maybe I didn't hold it. There we go. You can do this after. Just make sure you line it up. It just helps to keep it straight when you have that on there. Yeah, I think my ink just didn't come out because it's working fine now. And you can make this thick, or you can make this line really thin like I am. Okay, there we go. So I like that little line there. It's just, I don't know, it just makes it really nice. All right, so we are going to color these, and these are the colors that we are using. We're using Pool Party, Light and Dark, and we're using Lost Lagoon, Light and Dark, and we are using one of our new colors coming, Summer Splash. And then I'm using this one for Bermuda Bay, and these are my Ohuhu, and they're BG68 and BG4. If any of you have these, because I know quite a few of you have really liked them, so let's go ahead and just start with this one. Oh. I'm going to just do, is this the lighter color? No, I think this one's the lighter color. Let me double check this, because I usually have to test it first. Yeah, this one is the lighter. So I want to start with the lighter one first. So I'm just going to color these. I'm going to just shade them a tad. And I am going to color them kind of opposite of each other. So I'm going to color this one in the other corner. This goes really, really quick too. And then I'm going to do this one in this corner. We're doing 2 of each color. And I know there's probably not any blue daisies, but hey, we're making blue daisies. I just love these markers, y'all. They're so good. I mean, the color is so beautiful on these. And they blend so good. And they're not really expensive for what you get. They're really, really nice. All right, I'm going to do, I think I'll do Lost Lagoon next. We'll do that one right here. Is this the light? Yes. So we're going to do this one. And then I'm going to do the opposite side here. I have all the new blends too, and our new in colors coming in May, and they're so pretty. And y'all, you can put as many sentiments in the center. As you see on this one, I used 3 different sentiments on it. But we're going to just do the thanks on this one. All right, let's use the pool party next. This one's a dark. And like I said, if you have a solid image, like that one that I just showed you, the one for Hooray for Surprises, all you do is stamp it, and y'all, it takes just minutes to do it. But you know me, I want to do something different. And I see everybody using solid images for this, and I really just wanted to do the ones that you can color, just to show you something different. All right, and then last but not least, we're going to use the new in color Summer Splash, and that's going to be this one right here. And this is the light. We can make flowers whatever color we want. Especially use your artistic license here. All right, and then we'll just shade it just a tad. Isn't this a pretty color though? Love it. This one will be available May 1st when the new catalog comes out. You can use this. I would have done, if this one wasn't new, I would have done that whole thing because they're so beautiful with that color. And you can do one whole solid color, whatever color you like. And we're going to use Early Espresso again here. And I'm going to use the small side, and I'm going to make some little dots here in this little space. And it's just so fun to add just a little bit of something there. I love the little dots with the daisies. So can you see that all? Isn't that cute? All right, let's use the thank you on this one. So I am going to grab my T-ruler again because I want this to be pretty straight, as straight as I can get it. And my thank you, I'm going to just put it in the middle. You know what? I want to make sure that I have it centered, so I'm not going to use that ruler right now. Isn't that pretty? I love this thank you. That one's from the Phrases for All, but look how big these are. The happy birthday wouldn't fit in there, or I would have put that. If you had it a little bit bigger, this one's pretty too with all my heart, and you can add some little hearts. But isn't that pretty? Oh, I just think this is so pretty. All right, so we are going to grab the card base and we are going to mat it. Okay, let's get this all out of the way. And I am using the new Summer Splash to mat it. And you're just going to put that on here. All these measurements will be in the inspiration sheet on my blog. It's StampingWithAmore.com. Oops, let's get that on straight. Still didn't get that straight, y'all. And it's going to bug me. Let's add some more adhesive here now that I messed that up. This piece, by the way, is 4 7/8 by 4 7/8. There we go. Okay. We got it. And then you can either pop this up or you can just add it to like flat. That's what I'm going to do because that's what I did with all the other ones. And then just center that on there. Got it on my finger, the piece that tore. And there you go. That's all done. Isn't that fun? Look how cute. I love these and they're so fun to do, y'all. You have to give them a try. So look at all the ones that I did. And these big sentiments really look good in there. And here's the two of those together. Same ones, just different colors. And then this one. This one's the one that you can do just stamping and it'll go super quick. And then one for Father's Day or Dad's birthday. And then another one for a birthday. So there you go. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. This is my April host code. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.